I'm 100 videos in for a bit more than 90 days.
Hello.
Hi.
So I've heard you made 90 days YouTube.
Yeah, 90 days of YouTube. In summer I thought that's a good idea to put myself out there, experience a little bit and share my experiences with teaching mainly as an academic. And yeah.
What's your goal? Would you say you achieved this goal?
Yeah, I achieved my goal. In the beginning I had the plan to upload once a day and I did this for a week or two. And that pushed me really to not try to attempt perfectionism for the videos and learn how to edit quickly and so on and follow a plan and not doubt myself. But then obviously it was too much while working full time.
In retrospective, would you say that you struggled or was it easy?
I did struggle at some point because I wasn't sure if there is an audience really for it, and then I had to tell myself, well, I also do it for me because I want to have an archive of how I, for example, worked in the lab. That has nothing really to do with the teaching content of my channel, but seeing myself in the lab and documenting that with a video, that's awesome and that's so different compared to photography or something. So yeah, but then what was the question? Did I struggle? Yeah, at some point I thought I wanted too much. So my most clicked video so far, how to plan a lecture, it's quite comprehensive. And in general, I'm super happy with the content of the video. And people are super interested, but I wanted too much. So the struggle was, I was a little bit exhausted after filming that video and editing. And then I had this thought, okay, I need to do something to give me a little bit space to not lose the creativity. And that's when I designed and started my podcast, which gave me the time because I also was a lot busy in the lab and I couldn't keep up with the workload, like 100% both jobs, let's say.
So a follow-up question to that. Would you do something differently if you would have to start again?
No.
Okay, that's a quick one. Okay, after all these days, have you decided to continue making YouTube content? Have you planned change your content for the future if you continue with YouTube?
Yes and no. So yes, I will continue. No, I will not change the main trajectory and the main purpose of what I want the channel to be teaching. But I noticed that filming videos and talking and also getting in a connection or connecting with people in the world, random strangers basically, my first subscribers, thanks to you who watch my videos and leave comments. I love it. So I will change a little bit, that I implement a little bit more also personal stuff about how it is to work in academia as a 40+ female and all the topics that are widely discussed online. So that will be also a part of the channel. Still the focus will be teaching, which is close to my heart and where I also want to explore a little bit new territory.
Have your subscribers and commentators triggered new thoughts and different perspectives in you?
Definitely, yes, definitely.
Would you like to engage more actively with your subscribers and viewers?
Oh, that's a good question. I thought about that, and there is this possibility, obviously, which a lot of also new YouTubers do, which is the live streams. And I'm only at 32 subscribers, but I appreciate every single one of them. And I have one very active subscriber who comments on my videos. And I think it would be great to engage more and to have some kind of live stream. And also clearly talk about academia, teaching, funding, fixed-term contracts, work in Germany. So, but I'm hesitating. So I would like to, but that's a split feeling. So I feel I'm not yet there.
Okay.
So I will stick with videos and shorts to advertise my videos, and at some point I would like to do some live streams to directly speak to the subscribers, basically. Yes.
On the technical side, have you thought about changing the production value and getting into new cameras and doing everything more complicated and more professional?
Yeah, that's
or
also.
would you like to keep it vlog style?
Yeah, that's also a good comment. I would love to have it higher value using the Sony Alpha that I have at hand. I noticed when I tried to do that it's taking a little bit away from what I'm doing, just because I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I am a scientist. I work 100% in academia. I have a life in the lab. I have teaching duties. Everybody working in academia knows that it's not a 9 to 5, and it has to be really low threshold. And this little camera, my DJI, is perfect, because even when I asked my colleagues in the lab if it's disturbing them that I would not film myself and so on, they don't mind. But if there would be a big setup, which would look more professional because I have the bokeh and it looks nice and creamy and everything, maybe it would be more cinematic, but I don't need the cinematic now. I would love to do that at some point, just out of creative curiosity in my private life, because I love this technical side and the editing and the high quality and working with different lenses and so on. But for the YouTube channel as it is now, I will keep attached to my little DJI Action cam, and yeah, I think it's perfect. I'm glad that I bought this, and I'm glad that this worked out in a great way. And I think that when the lab course comes up, at least I can take you with me also to setting up and cleaning out. I'm not sure how much I can get footage during the course because there are students around. But also then the small camera is really handy, and I love the quality. So
content-wise, will you produce more shorts or more full-length videos, or what is the plan?
yeah, I think.
Or would you like to come back to the podcast format?
Oh, that's a good question. Yeah. I think people like better my full-length videos. They can be they can become a little bit shorter. I will attempt to have them not super long, like this most clicked video that is very content heavy, but that's why also it's a bit too heavy to digest. So I want to keep to long format, but more in the between 5 to 10 minutes range, ideally. And that comes obviously also with practice to know how much to put in. And the shorts, I love the shorts. So I had a blast in summer when I produced extra shorts, so not extracted from the long videos, but like extra ones. And I was drawing a little bit, animations, and tried around with the editing software. So I had great fun with that, and I think it was entertaining. Was it really valuable for the channel? Not that much. So if I have time and I have a creative inspiration, I might produce 1 or 2 of those, but mainly it will be long form videos and then extracting from those 2 to 3 advertisement shorts.
You want to focus on full-length videos?
Yes.
On long videos?
Yes.
Okay, that's all the question I had for you for today. I wish you all the best on your YouTube journey.
Yeah.
I hope you all subscribe and like and support the channel.
I'm 100 videos in for a bit more than 90 days. I mean 100 videos, that means pieces of content, including the podcast. And for the podcast, I had a really good experience filming it, and it gave me a little bit of free space, let's say. And I will ask my subscribers in the community tab if they want more of that. There are many more topics to talk about. And let's see, but I will not force it. So I will focus on more teaching content. A lot more is coming up in the future. So if you like this, subscribe so that you get notified when I upload a video. And yeah, let me know what your teaching aspects are, what your interests are, what stage you are in your academic journey. And I'm happy to share my experiences when I was at that level. Happy teaching and have a nice day.